We reveal the long-kept Tesla secret that long-term investors have been holding onto today. This formula shows how and why Tesla's stock price can soar to $1,500 by 2024, and the company can have a $4 trillion market cap by 2030. Our goal is to comprehend the inner workings of a firm, its unique selling point, and the reasons why it cannot be replicated by others. We really believe that people are incapable of accomplishing what Tesla is doing. In the end, it will be more than just an automobile or battery company. All other automakers who half a century ago decided to increase their profitability by contracting out supply and computation will be replaced by Intel in computer chips. This is going to be the Tesla among automobiles. No one else could reasonably compete with Tesla autonomous driving, which will use all of the vehicles. Baron Capital's billionaire CEO, Ron Baron, has disclosed that he has profited up to $6 billion on his Tesla investment and intends to keep onto it for a minimum of 10 more years. Additionally, he thinks that by 2030, Tesla's competitive advantage may enable it to outperform the S&P 500, with the automaker's net income and free cash flow growth expected to pick up speed in the upcoming years, along with a correspondingly rising margin profile to support revenue growth. It's interesting to note that reliable forecasts based on information and facts have been made in addition to conjecture. How, therefore, does Ron Baron defend his optimistic stance? What are the reasons for his belief and trust in Elon Musk and Tesla, and what are the dangers and difficulties that Tesla is facing? Stay tuned to the very end, and don't forget to subscribe as we'll learn all of these things and more in this video. Approximately every 14 to 15 years, the value of your money decreases by 50%. No matter what they tell you, inflation will only reach 2%, well, for a short while, before rising back to 4 or 5%. For the duration of my life, it will be 4 or 5% on average. That implies that every 14 or 15 years, everything doubles in price. Investing in the market, which rises by 10% annually on average, dividends included, is one method to protect yourself from that. My perspective is that the investments I have are long-term ones, made in companies where I believe we will eventually double our money. We will attempt to double our money every 5 or 6 years, as opposed to double it over a 10-year period. What is the process? We are investing in firms that grow 15% plus annually, as opposed to those that grow 7% or 8% annually. Our mix includes risky startups like SpaceX and Tesla, which can grow quite quickly. We invest in businesses like Vail, which has a very high return, to reduce that risk. Thus, real estate firms, resort operators, and financial institutions such as Charles Schwab. Ron Baron's optimistic statement regarding Tesla is more than just hype or conjecture. It is founded on a great deal of investigation, analysis, and long-term investing expertise. The analyst, who has been following Tesla intently for many years, is once again optimistic about the top automaker. Welcome back to Tesla Tomorrow, everyone. Among the world's most inventive and profitable businesses is Tesla. The manufacturer of electric vehicles is appending the auto industry with its state-of-the-art performance, design, and technology. Not surprisingly, though, not everyone is sold on Tesla's promise. Over the past few years, the company has encountered numerous obstacles and mistrust, including production delays, quality problems, competition, and regulatory barriers. The market's uncertainty and strong expectations are reflected in the volatility of Tesla's stock price. Nevertheless, Ron Baron, the billionaire CEO of Baron Capital, remains one investor who has been unwaveringly bullish on Tesla since 2014. He has gained a fortune from his investment in Tesla and has been a long-time ardent admirer of Elon Musk, the company's CEO. Baron stated in recent plans with CNBC that he has made $6 billion from his Tesla investment and that he intends to keep onto it for a minimum of a further 10 years. This is intriguing because Baron finds both Tesla's present accomplishments and its potential for growth to be impressive. The financial analyst predicts that Tesla's market capitalization, which is currently estimated to be around $680 billion, might rise to $4 trillion by 2030. He believes that by 2024, Tesla's share price, which is currently slightly over $200, may reach $1,500. So how precisely does Ron Barron defend his upbeat attitude? Let's investigate. But before we continue, please click the like button, subscribe, and enable post notifications if you enjoy this kind of information so you can stay up to know on all things Tesla. Tesla's creativity and competitive edge stem from its software capabilities, continuous invention, and vertical integration. One of Elon Musk's recent statements is that Tesla's lithium refinery is a money printing machine. Musk unveiled a strategy in May that would enable the construction of around 1 million electric vehicles, EVs, each year using enough lithium. The system may now broaden its reach and launch earlier than originally anticipated. Producing lithium hydroxide, which may be utilized in the manufacture of battery cells at the company's Gigafactory in Austin, Texas, is the plant's main goal, according to Tesla. The secondary objective is to show off the capabilities of Tesla's new, less expensive processing system, which, if successful, has the potential to revolutionize the electric vehicle market once more. Tesla has a major competitive advantage over its rivals thanks to its development prospects and diversification, which include branching out into new product categories and market sectors like China with the Model Y, Cybertruck, and Robotaxi. The automaker's mission and positive impact are in line with Ron Barron's principles and vision for a prosperous and sustainable future. The analyst is certain that Tesla can overcome any difficulties and accomplish its objectives because he believes in Musk's leadership and vision, even if he also recognizes the dangers and difficulties the company has, such as competition, regulation, execution, and valuation. Barron's remarks are not a singular viewpoint. Numerous other experts, investors, and analysts have upgraded their ratings and price goals for Tesla in line with their similarly optimistic assessments of the company. For example, Cathie Wood, the CEO and creator of ARK Invest, stated that in the best-case scenario, Tesla might be valued at $4 trillion. She also reaffirmed her $3,000 price objective for the company by 2025. Colin Rush, an analyst at Oppenheimer, has also reaffirmed Tesla's leadership in the electric vehicle market. In a prior interview, he said that Tesla has a significant technology advantage over many of its competitors in the electric vehicle market, although production and cost issues plague many of them. Additionally, he restated that Tesla has a strong, talented workforce that is genuinely committed to reaching its objectives. The issue is that, in spite of these intriguing details, the price of Tesla's stock is still falling sharply, raising the question of whether or not the company's future is still bright. Well, a number of reasons, including those that some experts like Ron Barron have taken into account when making their predictions about Tesla, might lead to the company's stock price hitting all-time highs. The Robotaxi platform is the first breakthrough that Elon Musk has indicated has the potential to skyrocket Tesla's stock price. Musk stated that since the car is essentially designed to accomplish the cost per mile and would be less expensive than a bus ticket, this innovation will be a significant factor in driving Tesla's growth. Musk also believes that the Tesla bot Optimus will be worth more than the auto industry. And then there's FSD and the Cybertruck. One of Tesla's greatest admirers and backers, Ron Barron has placed his trust in the company and is benefiting from his investment. Ron Barron is likewise unaffected by noise and short-term changes because he has a long-term vision and perspective. He is a prime example of a shrewd, profitable investor who understands how to identify and take advantage of market possibilities. Will you continue to be as optimistic as Ron Barron about Tesla? Tell us in the comments below. Please click on the following video to view more information about Tesla and its recent activities. I'll see you over there.